Hello and welcome to another video. Today I want to show you how I create a layout with a big photo which covers the whole page, because I was asked about to show this and how we can arrange elements if the photo covers the whole page, because we don't have free space, and all of this I want to show you in this video. So let's start. I will use the newest collection from NBK-Design from August, Strengths of a Woman, and I will start with a solid paper. Let's have a look where the pack is. These are the gesso, but I will use the unusual solids and just start with a gray paper. Okay, and I will drag my photo on top of the paper, and for now it doesn't cover the whole page, so I will enlarge it, press shift and grab one of these anchor points and just enlarge it that it covers the whole page, and a little bit on the side. Okay, now you have a big photo and you can't see any of the paper. And the first thing, if I make a page with a big photo, I start to blend the photo a little bit. A very good way to do this is to use the blend if. I already did a video about the blend if. Double click on the layout here and the layer style window will open, and here you have the blend if. You have two sliders, and I want to create a little bit of artsy effect on the photo, and that it looks like we used some splashes or something like this, and we can achieve this by using these two sliders. And if I use the underlaying layer, this means these sliders affect the underlaying layer, and this is our background. So if I want that the background shines a little bit through my photo, I need to work with the slider here from the underlaying layer. And if I move the slider, the white slider, to the back, see what will happen. Now it's the point where the white areas from my paper will shine through my photo. Okay, so if we come to the point where it starts, like now, make it a little bit slower, and I like this. You can split the slider. Press and hold Alt and click on this slider and it split it, and you can now achieve more smooth edges. So split the slider always, you're always on the right side, because you get a smooth transition. Okay, something like this. Not too much, just a little, but it's up to you what you prefer. Okay, something like this. I think it's fine. If we use this layer here, and the sliders means if I drag the slider from the black to the white here, this means the black parts from my layer, which is the flower now, will be transparent. I only show you this. You can see the blackest parts in your photo will get transparent. And of course the white, if I move the slider to the black, the white parts in my photo will be transparent. Okay? And press OK. So now we have a nearly white background, which means if I move the sliders from the underlaying layer, the white to the black, the white parts from my paper will shine through my photo. What happens if we use a darker paper, like something like this? I will put it behind my photo. Now you can see nothing shines through my photo because in this paper we don't have white spots. So I think it will take a long time. Now the white part of the papers will shine through the photo. But we have darker parts in this paper here, and now let's shine through my photo the darker parts. So I grab this slider here from black and I will move it to the white, and here it will start. I split my slider, press and hold Alt and click, and something like this I like. Okay, so now I have the blackest parts in my from my paper, sorry, shines through my photo. So, and now I will go on and add some brushes or splashes or whatever you can find in this collection. So let's grab this. And now you arrange your elements. We have styles here. I already installed the gessos. Here are the gesso styles, and we can also work with the blend if on such elements. Double click, and I want that the background shines through this white element here, and this I need to grab this slider. I split it, and you can see it gets more and more transparent. Not the element itself gets transparent, but the background shines through this white element. You also can use this layer and the white slider. This means the white element gets more and more transparent. But I will use this. Okay, split it to get a little bit more smooth transition, and okay. And then let's have a look what we have. We have this super awesome loops here. Try it just on the top, and a word art. And I think you got an idea how you can use big photos and also add elements on top of it. You can use the big photo like a paper. So it's up to you to add elements and put the elements on top of the photo. And if you use the blend if like I did, you can create nice artsy effects without using any brushes. And we have some arrows here. let's use an arrow and a style. I have installed the, let's see how they, Old English floral styles. Sorry. Now. Yeah. And let's use a magic light on top of the photo, and let's change the blend mode. Nice, isn't that nice? Yes. But I want this loop on top. I go to my layer and arrange, bring it in front, and let's use another magic light. This one. And again, we added the blend mode. Okay, and this is the idea behind a big photo and how you can use it. I hope I could give you an inspiration and that you see that it's super easy to use it. And thanks for watching. See you. Bye.